Welcome to the demonstration of the CAWE prototype for automated ETL documentation generation developed by the Junior Research Group Computer-Aided Warehouse Engineering. The prototype solves the problem of sophisticated preparation of high-quality software documentation for the ETL domain. The used model-driven approach yields some advantages like platform independence and the possibility of considering additional meta-information for the documentation. Okay, let's start with Pentaho Data Integration, or short PDI, an open-source ETL modeling tool. PDI serves as an example of ETL modeling tools during this demonstration. As a centralized storage space, PDI provides the possibility to save model ETL processes in an organization-wide repository. After connecting to the repository, we see the stored files and folders. Please keep in mind the example folders. We will refer to them later in this demonstration. Fill product is the modeled ETL process which we are going to document automatically. Within the process, the product dimension of the Adventure Works DWH, an example data warehouse provided by Microsoft, will be filled. Therefore, common ETL activities like extract, merge, join, filter, and output are used. Especially the dealer price discount is interesting, as it works as the example activity through the documentation process. As you see, the customers are getting a discount of 60%. After the execution of the ETL process, we get the notification that everything went well and the data integration into the data warehouse was successful. Our yet supported documentation target format is a wiki page. Therefore, we prepared a new and empty MediaWiki instance. After our preparations are done, we are ready to start the CAWE prototype. At first, we create and name a new project. In our case, we name it ETL-Docu-Demo. Next, we need an IT infrastructure model, which defines the IT infrastructure of the organization. For this example, we need the location and credentials for the PDI repository and the MediaWiki instance. After making the repository location known, we are able to explore the repository within our prototype. Now you see the previously mentioned example folders and our example ETL process ETL field product. Now we are able to process this PDI file to obtain ETL documentation. These steps take up to 1 minute and hence are shortened for this presentation. After this process, different models with different abstraction levels are created, namely, and in the order of abstraction, the original PDI file .ktr, the machine-readable PDI model .pdi, the generic platform-independent ETL model .etl, and the generic platform-independent documentation model .documentation. As in all other abstraction levels, our example activity dealer price discount is included in the generic documentation model and quotes a discount of 60%. Based on the generic documentation model, different documentation formats can be produced. Within this demonstration, we generate some wiki pages. Our dealer discount of 60% is also present within the well-known wiki syntax. As last step, we deploy the generated wiki pages into the prepared MediaWiki instance. All shown manually initiated intermediate steps can also be triggered with one click. Now, our MediaWiki contains several new pages describing several parts of the example ETL process. First of all, we want to check if our dealer price discount has been correctly documented. Okay, that's right. Let's see which information is additionally available. As a simply entry point and to provide a fast overview, the ETL process itself is created as a wiki page. All occurring ETL activities are displayed and linked, sorted by their purpose, which is one of extract, transform and load. Let's examine the extraction activity get existing products in detail. First of all, we see the type of the currently viewed activity. Further, we can see and browse previous and next activities. In this case, no previous activities are available because get existing products is an initial extract activity. We can see the table the activity is reading from and of course the table fields touched within this activity. The fields which were used in previous activities or which will be used in next activities are presented in a lineage table. All involved activities are displayed. It seems that our product alternate K will be filtered. Let's have a look. Within the filter activity page, the filter specification details are displayed clearly. Therefore, it is possible to understand the task of the activity quickly and navigate to other related and interesting activities. This was the demonstration of the CAWE prototype for automated ETL documentation generation. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Feedback is welcome. Visit cawe.tu-chemnitz.de.